Hello guys, how are you guys? I hope you are fine. So, today I will teach you about cryptocurrency. Which application is best for cryptocurrency? You have heard about many applications like OKTaxFX, OKX, Binance, and many other, but I know about these three application, and these are the good applications for crypto. So let's download it by Binance. This one. Look at this is its rating. I will show you its rating. Look at this. 100 million downloads and almost 30. Its specification is just 70 MB and review points it's 419k reviews, rated 3, almost 4.4 पे है. And I have already downloaded, just I need to update it. Look, we will update. Mm, it will update very soon because it is very low specification application, but this is very powerful for the security purpose. You, if you are new in crypto, you can use it. And you, so guys, look at this. My application is update. So if you have this application, so I will teach you about how to use and how to buy the coin, how to sell the coin, how to use limit, how to use market. uh, Means I will teach you about his each and every functions. And the other application is OKX. Look at this, the top. OKX. I also need to update, so I will update now. Look at this, 1 million downloads. Means Binance is more best than this one. This is, means this is not a new application. This is also old application, but Binance is the more better than OKX. Look at this is rating and review is better than Binance, but Binance is more better than OKX. Look at this, 100 134k reviews just, but they have 419 reviews. Look at this, OKX is upgrade now. And the third one is Octa FX. This is not bad, but I can't recommend it this for you. I will only recommend it Binance. Binance is better. Look at this. This is also upgrade and installation is start. So look at this is 10 million downloads. Not bad, but Binance is more better than these two. I have already told you about, and I will teach you about his function and FX functions and Binance functions. You can see and you can also judge about this. These are better, but Binance is more better than these. These are not a bad application. These are also good application, but Binance is more better than his. So guys, look at this. This is my three applications. These are ready to run. If you want to earn good money, you need to buy. You need if you want to earn good money, you need to install Binance only. First of all, you need little experience. You install Binance and only only trade on sports function. And now this is market, and this one is the sports function. Means if you want to buy a coin, just buy, and when its rate is high, just sell it.